Welcome back to Business Mathematics 2 MA 1203. I'm Eric from Mathematics Study Program, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, ITB. So for this session, we are going to talk about the second order difference equations. The first subtopic that we will discuss is on the homogeneous second order difference equation. Let's start. So, our discussion is only limited to a linear second order difference equation with constant coefficient case. So, this is the second order difference equation with constant coefficient. That is A, B, C, just a constant. It's not a function of t. So this is just a constant equals gt. When gt is 0, then we call this the second order, the general second order linear difference equation with constant coefficient that is homogeneous linear difference equation. Okay, we would like to know what is the solution of this. Okay, now based on our experience with the first order difference equation, you know the solution of this is yt equals 3 to the power of t times y0. So we would like to use the same technique by letting yt equals r to the power of t, with r will be determined later. What is r here? Okay, what is the ratio here? For this, for the first order, you have r is 3. The ratio is 3. Okay, what about for the second order? Okay, then let's try to substitute this into the general homogeneous second order linear difference equation. So you have this one. A r this equals 0, and you can factor out r to the power of t. You have a r squared plus b r plus c equals 0, and r to the power of t is never 0, so I can cancel this out. So I can so I have in the end a r squared plus b r plus c equals 0. So in order to find yt equals r to the power of t, I have to solve the quadratic equation. But I have already know how to solve this, quadratic equation. Okay, and don't forget, when we are talking about solving quadratic equation, we can have 3 cases at most. We can have 3 cases. That is when the discriminant is less than 0, that is when discriminant equals 0, and discriminant is greater than 0. When discriminant is greater than 0, I have two different real solution. If discriminant is 0, I have only one real solution of this quadratic equation. And if the discriminant is less than 0, then you do not have any real solution. Okay, so this last equation, we usually call this the characteristic equation. Okay, this is very, very important. So if you have this one, so you have the characteristic equation a r squared plus b r plus c. Okay, let's start. Okay, find the solution of this given the initial condition y0 is 0 and y1 is 3. Okay, and the characteristic equation is r squared minus 9 equals 0. So you can factor this out. So you have r equals minus 3 or r equals 3. So the homogeneous solution is the combination of the essential function, that is minus 3 to the power of t, r to the power of t, plus a constant, another constant, can be the same, can be different, times the ratio 3 to the power of t. So this is the general solution of the homogeneous linear second order difference equation with constant coefficient. But if we want to find the unique solution correspond to this initial condition, I have to substitute this in order to find K1 and K2. Okay, so this is the homogeneous. I substitute this, so I have this one. Okay, you have a system of linear equation that have 2 variables and 2 equations. And then, so we can solve this. We can solve this directly using elimination method, elementary row operation, Gauss-Jordan elimination, or any other method that you have already learned. Okay, in the end, I have k1 equals minus 1 over 6, and k2 is 1 over 6. Don't forget, you have to calculate this. Okay, this is just to make it faster. Then the solution is given by this. A constant, this one, minus, plus the second constant times 3 to the power of t. So this is the solution correspond to the initial condition y0 equals 0 and y1 equals 1. Okay, the unique solution, the general solution. Very, very careful on the terminology. What if there is only one root? I have already told you when we are talking about quadratic equation, we can have three cases. That is one real roots, two real roots, or no real roots. So if there is only one, we will discuss in a moment, but we will not discuss about difference equation with no roots of characteristic equation. Are there any solution of this? Yes, there is, but it won't be discussed here. So we can prove this. We have a double root. We have only one root here. That is 2. R equals 2. R equals 2. So the solution is just, the essential solution, in the quotation mark, is just 2 to the power of t. Okay, you can check that if you have your solution, essential function, times t is the solution of this. Okay, so in general, the solution, if you have double roots, is k1, a constant, times r to the power of t, plus a second constant times to the r to the power of t, but you have to multiply with c. So if you have the same essential function, r to the power of t, r to the power of t as your solution, so you have to multiply with t to find another to find the complete solution. Okay, and this is when you have two real roots, this one. Okay, so this is the solution of general homogeneous second order linear difference equation with constant coefficient. Okay, later on we will talk about the steady state solution of this homogeneous difference equation. Okay, thank you.